welcome to Ouroboros Automotive. Today what I'm going to be doing is installing some aftermarket tweeters that I ordered from Etsy. So these are 3D printed little tweeters that go into where this point would be, and that's where the stock tweeter would normally go. The key thing is though is that I only have the 4-speaker system and not the 6-speaker system. So I am also I do not have an amplifier or anything like that, but the plug-in for this is actually just hidden behind these plastic, or this little moisture shield. And the connector is actually right here for your tweeters. So it's already integral to your system. You don't actually need to wire up anything or go back to your radio or anything like that. So this speaker, or this little thing, can either be ordered with the speaker or without. I ordered it with it. It has a little place to put the body clip on it, and has 2 simple little plug-ins right here that would then get wired to your interference box. This I am actually going to do just a simple, with how thin these wiring harnesses are, what I'm going to be using is a quick solder connection, which are these little guys, which when you put them into here together, you have a little thing of, or a little ball of solder right there, and sealing agents, and it will seal up the joint and everything like that. Yes, I won't be able to unplug this box from this connector, but I'll be able to unplug the actual speakers from these 2 connectors right here. So with that being said, let's do it. All right, so there you have it. Obviously it didn't take that much. Normally, you guys know me, I would normally use my heat gun in order to do all this stuff to make it look nice and fancy and pretty like and everything like that. But I wanted to show you that you can easily do this without a heat gun. These little sleeves are activated by lighters with that solder in there, so they're actually pretty nice. It's gonna hold, it's gonna look good. I'm probably just gonna end up wrapping it up with some more electrical tape, zip tying everything into place, and I'll be done. So yeah, if you guys wanted to see how I removed the door and everything like that, I have that in the part of the video, or in another video, where I actually replaced the whole door harness on my driver's side. So if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and check out that video. But until then, thank you guys for joining me. Obviously this was a quick, easy, simple mod that will make the sound a lot better in the Jeep. But yeah, if you want to show your support, go check out my website, hit the like button, hit subscribe, do all that fun stuff, pick up a t-shirt, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later.